In a faraway place, there's a pub. A pub so darn great, the average Joe couldn't handle it. They had to move it further into the outback to stop all the chaos. Not just once, but 3 times. The general public was just not ready for a pub like this. When it made it to Ilfracombe, the local shearers and jockeys knew what a gem they had on their hands and wouldn't let it move further, even if the truest adventurer could still reach the pub. They were willing to share it if it meant keeping such a spunky bar. Because it's more than just a pub. It's also a hotel. And it's a coffee hatch. Australian pubs have been a learning experience, to say the least. I didn't know I would need a whole new vocabulary when coming to work here, but it turns out you do. So if you're as clueless as me, I'm going to teach you a couple of things. This is a schooner. A pot, or a 10, pot or 10. And a 7, so that you're not serving the wrong glass. Then, the most important thing, you got the gold, you got the blackfish, and you got the whitefish. Bundaberg rum, not to be confused with ginger beer. Bundaberg ginger beer. Yeah, made that mistake. So, now that we're all on the same page. And the bartender didn't give you a beer.
I know, I had to insist.
Wow.
Oh, that is not
What happened when you're sitting around the club? You and not like me and my friends. No one beside me. Go chasing my friend.
That's a pretty good song. Just wanted to come say hi to all you new people who have subscribed. It's a fair amount of you now, so thanks for showing up, and thanks for all the really lovely feedback. It's been really great to hear that so many of you are appreciating these videos, because I enjoy making them, and I'm glad to know that some people enjoy watching them. Last week a man popped his head through the coffee hatch and was telling me that he really appreciated the fact that he could send something home to his family to show what kind of lifestyle he's living here and what it's like here. So thank you for that. I really appreciate it, and I really love all the positive feedback, guys, so thank you, and I guess I'll see you in the next video.